Now, you might expect to pay more for car insurance if you're in an accident or if you get a ticket or if you drive for a living. But if your job doesn't involve driving, should it have an impact on your insurance rate?
Denver 7 investigative reporter Jace Larson found it does, and it's perfectly legal.
Turn around.
At Candace Lewis' house, there is always something going on.
It's a surprise.
She's a stay-at-home mom raising two young and energetic boys.
Malcolm, sit up.
She considers herself a responsible person and never thought that her job could have an effect on what she pays for insurance. We had her do a test for us, visiting the online Mega Insure with the talking gecko. She entered her basic personal information, including her profession as a homemaker.
That's it. Get your quote.
Then she got a quote for basic insurance to start right now on her SUV.
$198.
But then we had her change one thing on her online application. Instead of managing her family and their new goldfish, she said she was a lawyer.
$171. That's terrible. I'm offended.
Higher income people tend to buy more insurance because they have more assets to protect.
Lawyer and insurance expert Eric Poe says richer people bring more money overall to the insurance company, so they get lower rates.
When there's a fender bender that's $2,000 or $3,000, those people actually can go to their savings account and pay $2,000 or $3,000 to fix their car because they don't want their insurance rates to go up by filing a claim.
Poe says all of this is legal because no states have passed regulations to stop it.
Our producer entered several professions. As an unemployed person, he'd pay $183. If he flipped burgers, $128. If he was out fixing leaky pipes, $119. One of the lowest, $112 for teachers and lawyers. But the lowest, a doctor, $77.
If you're thinking of fudging the truth, well, just a little bit, and lying on your application, well, that would be illegal.
So if you do that, theoretically, by the law, you'd be committing insurance fraud. Insurance fraud in most states have significant penalties, and they will prosecute you.
This means how you spend your days or nights might affect how much you spend on insurance.
Now, not all insurance companies base rates on your job. The ones that do insist it's just one factor they consider of many. One thing insurance companies can't do is use your actual salary to set your rate, so this appears to be a way around that.